This looks impossible. Bananas in pure desert. But the system is engineered like a factory.
I have the sample ready for transfer.
Place it in the climate-controlled bin, Sector 4.
Cycle valve 7 and check the pressure differential.
Reading stable at 50 psi. The seal holds.
Every drop, every watt, every meter of soil is tracked. This is agriculture run like industry.
Under these laminar flow hoods, our technicians ensure the rapid multiplication of disease-free banana plantlets.
As the racks move seamlessly through the climate zones, the automated system modulates the humidity, hardening the seedlings for the arid conditions outside. The automated quality control gate uses high-speed machine vision to scan for uniformity, allowing robotic diverters to swiftly remove weaker plants.
A3, clear for loading. Roger that. Bringing the next pallet forward.
They don't find soil here, they manufacture it.
Align the next panel now.
Pressure steady at 50 psi.
Copy that. Moving to the next section.
Sequence complete. Zone 4 actuators responsive.
Confirmed. Moving to manifold C.
This is the heart of the operation, the fertigation skid. Dosing pumps ensure the exact mix of nutrients.
All right, keep it steady on the left side.
Locking bay 47 now.
Clear below.
All probes are showing green across the sector.
Excellent. The moisture levels are holding steady.
Dust suppression and road hardening are critical. Water trucks stabilize the service roads, allowing compactors.
Meticulous sterile procedures are essential. In the staging tent, sanitized tools and young plantlets are prepared.
In the desert, every drop counts. These sensors verify perfect saturation at the root zone.
We've got a wrinkle right here.
Okay, I'll adjust the tension.
Teams move in synchronized steps, placing and securing the protective sleeves without pause, advancing down the row like a desert assembly line.
Early-stage nutrient microdosing, growing bananas in a barren desert. Fertigation delivers low-dose nutrients via drip.
The screens are gliding into position now. Check the angle alignment on the tablet.
Angle looks good. Deployment is exactly on schedule.
In the desert, cooling is production. Miss it, and you lose the crop.
The mid-growth rows now form a vibrant green corridor. As we track through the aisle, the deep
Nutrient ramp-up for fruit fill. Growing bananas in a barren desert. Fertigation skids increase potassium-rich.
We are testing the latest batch from Sector 4.
The uniformity is excellent, passing all metrics.
Speed matters, but bruising is failure. This line is trained like surgeons.
At the collection hub, synchronized robotic arms precisely load the fruit into vented crates.
Scene 57, packhouse intake, unloading and hanging line. Growing bananas in a barren desert. The cushioning flume ensures the bananas are transported gently, preventing any bruising before they reach the sorting lanes.
Under the ring lights, high-speed cameras scan the bananas. Air jets and diverters rapidly sort the fruit into multiple
Multi-head weighers drop exact counts into tray lanes, utilizing polished metal funnels and rhythmic actuation.
Canisters feed empty trays.
Deep in the desert, this automated system folds the cartons and loads the sealed banana trays in a precise.
This isn't a farm line anymore. It's logistics at industrial scale.
Chamber 4 is showing a slight temperature spike.
Adjust the airflow immediately. We can't risk uneven ripening. Keep the line moving, faster now. Watch the intake on the left.
The automated flush valves open sequentially, purging sediment into the collection basins before normal flow resumes, ensuring reliability.
To grow bananas in the desert heat, sterility is paramount. The CIP system circulates wash solutions through
When nature is extreme, coordination is everything. This is a factory that grows food.
Sector Gamma reports optimal moisture levels.
Acknowledged. Dispatching Cart 7 on schedule to avoid congestion at the main artery.
Sample 4B secured. Data upload initiated.
Acknowledged. We are seeing remarkable consistency in the gene expression markers.
Secure the lower clamps now. Move.
Ratcheting strap engaged on section 4.
Looking good, team. Maintain the pace.
Look at the spike near sector Gamma 7.
Activating localized cooling sequence now. Levels are stabilizing.
Team A, rotation complete. Head back to the fields. Team B, proceed to the coolers. Ensure all
Lift smoothly, cut decisively at the stem, and lower into the cradle without bruising. Again. Move to the next bunch.
This lane shows a bottleneck in the cycle time.
Agreed. Optimize the irrigation flow immediately. We need to reduce that variance.
I'm on it. Adjusting the manifold now.
The continuous connection of new zones allows the system to run without interruption, a marvel of modern engineering.
Checkpoint 7 reports green across the board.
Acknowledged. Divert to outbound lane 4.
Bananas grow here are immediately loaded into a timed convoy, minimizing transit time and ensuring freshness.
From sand to supermarket, this is the result nobody believed.